When transitioning to lean manufacturing, what are the best key performance indicators to track? Here's the 5 most important performance metrics to achieve lean manufacturing operational success. Total cost by period reveals whether you're reducing costs and achieving better output as time progresses. Understanding total cost trends can improve output and reduce spending. Commonly referred to as start to start, total cycle time calculates how long it takes to perform one repetition of any task or production of one part. Delivery performance data lets you know whether production schedules are consistently meeting customer expectations. This allows you to shift planning and scheduling to achieve your goals. Lean manufacturing reduces product defects and rework of parts or components through a continuous improvement process and streamlines operations by implementing small changes over time. And incorporating safety measures into production and shop floor processes helps to save time, money, and resources. When examining or incorporating any of these manufacturing performance metrics, don't sacrifice one area for another. The Freedom Smart Manufacturing Platform helps to dramatically increase manufacturing efficiency, serving any of your lean manufacturing goals. The software is a suite of data reporting platforms that provide real-time metrics from any industrial asset on the plant floor, providing 24/7 access to utilization, availability, performance, quality, and OEE reports. For more information, call 513-719-1600 or visit freedom-iot.com.